right. I'm starting far left. Shot.
My name is Staff Sergeant Prulier. I'm one of the 186 Infantry Battalion Sniper Section leader. We're out here at Yakima Training Center, and we're on Range 5 today practicing shooting moving targets. Moving targets is one of the standards in sniper school, and we're out here maintaining proficiency on that range. Right now we have 3 different teams engaging moving targets. We're engaging targets from 100 to 800 meters on both of our 110A1 sniper systems and our 2010 sniper systems. The 110A1 is actually a squad designated marksman rifle. It's one of the upgrades that we just recently received.